Hi everyone, it is Luke from Hotwire here in our frequently asked questions series on underfloor heating. A question a lot of people have is what happens if the heating gets damaged and can it be repaired? Well, the good news is it's actually much simpler than you might think. As you can see in this picture, we can actually look through the floor, through the tiles and see where it's damaged. We use a thermal imaging camera to do that and some other clever little bits of technology. But the bottom line is we can find where it's damaged if that does occur. Now it is very rare with Hotwire products because all our products come with an alarm that is connected during the installation, and if the element is damaged at any point, the alarm screams and we know straight away. So most times we can fix that before the tiles go down. If for some reason that doesn't happen, we can use the technology we just showed you to find the fault, remove one tile, fix it, put a tile back, and you're back up and running with your underfloor heating. Rest assured that we can find the fault and we can fix it for you without too many dramas at all. As always, we can't wait to help you get Hotwired.